Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency platforms in the world, wants to make the price of XRP as low as possible. The rumors have shocked everyone who owns Ripple, but luckily the CEO of Ripple has come out and it looks like he has a plan to save the day. Should we just give up and sell all of our XRP coins, or is there still a chance? What's going on? That movie is the most important thing for anyone who owns XRP Ripple. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, not many names are as interesting and cause as much discussion as XRP Ripple. XRP Ripple has caught the attention of investors, tech experts, and financial institutions alike with its cutting-edge technology and big plans. But recent events have put a shadow over its future and made people wonder if it can still work and what it could be. A fight between the company that made XRP, Ripple Labs, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is at the heart of the storm. It is said by the SEC that Ripple broke securities rules when it traded certain tokens, such as XRP, not just for Ripple, but for the whole crypto business. This court case is very important. One important person in this story is Coinbase, which is one of the biggest Bitcoin exchanges in the world. Because its trading platform makes it easy to buy and sell XRP, Coinbase is involved in the legal processes. The Blockchain Association and lawyer John Deaton are among the well-known people who have backed the exchange, who have asked the court to support Coinbase as friends of the court. Deaton's participation in the case is especially interesting because he was involved in Ripple Labs' fight with the SEC before. His backing shows that people in the market are standing together and emphasizes how important the dispute is on a larger scale. Paul Grewal, Coinbase's chief legal officer, says it best: this isn't just a legal battle, it's a battle that affects a whole business and the millions of Americans who have invested in crypto. The fact that Coinbase chose to file an interlocutory appeal with the Second Circuit says a lot about how serious the situation is. An interlocutory appeal lets people question certain decisions made by a trial court while the case is still going on. Basically, it's a move that Coinbase is making to change the course of the court process and protect its own interests. But while the courts and regulators are arguing, rumors are going around that Coinbase might do something very bad to protect itself. A lot of people think that the exchange might take XRP Ripple off its site or stop trading some XRP pairs. There is no question that such a move would shock the crypto community and could have very bad effects on XRP Ripple. People think that the possibility of XRP being taken off of Coinbase's list of cryptocurrencies is a bad sign for the currency. Delisting would make it harder to use one of the biggest and most popular exchanges, which would hurt liquidity and investor trust. It could also make people more likely to sell XRP, which would lower its price and make investors less confident. In the end, how this court case turns out and how Coinbase reacts could affect the future of XRP Ripple. It remains to be seen whether it comes out of the storm stronger or gives in to the pressures of governmental scrutiny. But one thing is for sure: the crypto world is paying close attention and getting ready for the effects of this unique clash between new ideas and rules. Tensions are rising, and no one knows what will happen with XRP Ripple. One question stands out more than ever. What did the judge say in the big fight between Ripple and the SEC? The result of this court case is very important for the future of our beloved cryptocurrency because Coinbase's important role is at stake. Will Ripple win, making sure that XRP keeps flowing freely on exchanges, or is a huge change about to happen that could change the crypto world as we know it? Keep your minds ready because the answer is going to blow your minds. As the court battle between Ripple and the SEC moves closer to a possible end, things have never been more important for XRP Ripple and its passionate fans. With every turn and twist, the future becomes less certain. This keeps investors on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating the next part of this high-stakes play. A strong supporter of XRP, Bill Morgan, is at the front of this fight and has been sounding the alarm about the problems that are getting in the way of a quick settlement. Even though people are hoping for a quick answer, Morgan warns that the SEC's constant pursuit of injunctions and appeals could make it take even longer to reach a compromise. His ideas are a sobering reminder of how hard things are for both Ripple and the regulatory body. The latest actions by the SEC to seek an injunction against Ripple's on-demand liquidity sales and appeal programmatic sales make it very hard to reach a quick agreement. These moves not only make the legal standoff last longer, but they also make it hard to predict how Ripple will work and what will happen to XRP in the future. In fact, the thought of ODL sales stopping and appeals coming up has caused a lot of worry in the cryptocurrency community, with worries growing about how this might affect the price of XRP. Even though problems are getting worse, there is still some chance for people who like XRP. Morgan says that if Ripple and the SEC can find common ground and come to an agreement, the price of the cryptocurrency could hit all-time highs. With the price of XRP hovering around 50 cents right now, Morgan's prediction of a possible $1 price surge after settlement shows how much potential buyers will have once the legal dust settles. But time is running out because the SEC is getting ready to send its opposition brief in response to Ripple's request to throw out expert evidence given at the last minute. This important deadline is a turning point in the legal fight. The court's decision will likely have a big impact on the future of XRP Ripple and the crypto market as a whole. As Ripple fights back against the SEC's proposed $2 billion fine and strongly denies claims of ongoing securities breaches, things are getting ready for an epic battle. The result of this legal battle is likely to have effects far beyond the courtroom, as Ripple's leaders reaffirm their dedication to following the rules, and the SEC comes under more and more scrutiny for possible conflicts of interest. As the events of today come to a close, buyers are getting ready for the next round of events, fully aware that the future of XRP Ripple is in danger. Will the SEC's brief in opposition tip the scales in its favor? Or will Ripple end its quest for justice with a win? The answers are just over the horizon, and the trip looks like it will be very interesting. One thing is becoming very clear as the Ripple vs. SEC story goes on. Ripple and XRP's future is uncertain. They are on the verge of a big change. In spite of the doubt, there is still a hint of hope, a tempting look at what might be. Might XRP Ripple soon come out on top, changing the crypto world and getting everyone's attention? The smartest people in the cryptosphere seem to agree, predicting growth that has never been seen before and shocking changes that no one could have seen coming. Get ready to be amazed as we talk about the exciting predictions and unimaginable possibilities that lie ahead for XRP Ripple. Hold on tight, because what's coming next is nothing short of epic. Recent studies show that XRP's future is not at all bleak, even though it has been through some market volatility. However, the latest ideas from famous market expert xrp give people hope by showing that the future holds unimaginable growth and wealth. It's important to keep an eye on XRP's recent success as it navigates the rough waters of the crypto market. XRP, like many other digital assets, has been going down for a long time with short-term drops interspersed throughout its path. Despite the negative mood and what seemed like an endless sea of red, xrp's explanation is a bright light of hope. xrp's famous bent fork study, which came out in June of last year, has been updated to reflect how the market is now. The first version of the analysis predicted a rise to $15, but the most recent version sets its eyes even higher, with $17 as its final goal. This increase shows that xrp is still confident in XRP's strength and growth prospects. The importance of key psychological levels is at the heart of xrp's research, in particular the $1 mark. At this level, XRP is facing strong resistance. If it can break through, it could set off a huge wave of buying momentum that will carry the asset to greater heights. In fact, breaking through the all-time high of $3.50 send XRP on a path to what xrp calls the Valhalla Highway, a place where buyers will be rich beyond their wildest dreams. As much as price goals are exciting for analysts, it's also the fact that XRP is the market leader. xrp talks about recent changes in XRP's dominance chart and points out that the price hit a key support level again at 1%. According to historical data, these kinds of patterns have happened before big price jumps in the past. This suggests that XRP could regain its power and reach new heights. If the global cryptocurrency market cap stays the same, xrp's predictions paint a very interesting picture. XRP's dominance could hit 17%. XRP could have a market value of $412 billion at these prices. That means that each XRP Ripple coin would be worth $7.46, is a huge increase from where it is now. The story of XRP and Ripple is full of dramatic turns and turns, but one person stands out: the CEO of Ripple. Because the whole crypto world is on his shoulders, what he says is very important and gives people who are worried peace of mind. But what did he really say about the fight that was starting to form between Ripple and Coinbase? Get ready to be enchanted as we decipher his vague messages and get to the bottom of the problem. You won't want to miss this talk because it will reveal the future of XRP Ripple and change the course of the whole crypto world. Are you ready to find out the truth?